All right, let's finish up example 2, finding greatest common factor using prime factorizations. And this is still chapter 1, section 5, greatest common factor. And we're going to do part B, find greatest common factor of 20 and 45. So step 1, make a factor tree for each number. We're going to work with the number 20 first. Number 20 is even, so I know that 2 is a factor and 2 is a prime number, the smallest prime number. So I'm going to start with that. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 being a prime number, we can't continue to break that apart, but 10 is not a prime number, so let's continue to break that down. Adding another branch here. Okay, I know 2 times 5 is 10. 10 is even, so that's why I went with 2 right away, smallest prime number. So 2, we can't break that apart, and 5 is a prime number, so we're not going to break that apart. So 20 is all done. Now let's do the same thing for 45, breaking it apart into our factor tree. 5 is an odd number, so 2 is not a factor, but 5 is. So let's do 5 times 9. 9 is not a prime number, so let's continue to add another branch. Nine is not even. The next number is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, 3 is a prime number, so we're not going to break that down anymore. So these are all done. Step 2, write the prime factorization. So again, remember, that's just writing out your prime numbers that you used. So for 20, we used 2 times 5. And for 45, we used 3 times 5. I just started with the smallest number first, just to keep them in numerical order. Step 3, circle common prime numbers. The only common number, the only common factor is 5 for 20 and 45. Find the product of the common prime factors. Since there's only 1 5 for 20 and 45, we don't need to do any multiplying. Remember up here, both of them had 2 times 2, 2 times 2, so that's why we multiplied 2 times 2, and we found out that 4 was also a common factor for 12 and 56. Down here, if 45 had 2 times 2, then we would multiply 2 times 2, but it's 3 times 3 and 2 times 2. So no more additional multiplying is needed for this one. So step 4, it's done. Step 5, find greatest common factor, which is the only factor in this case, which is 5. All right, that's it.